the quarantine. And quarantine number, this number actually help in development of vector. That information we are going to. Something is.
My name is Mamta Jain. I'm from Venus International College of Technology, Bhoyan Rathod, Gandhinagar.
What motivated you to join this workshop?
Actually, there are new things to learn, to solve without calculation. So that part was inspired me to come here.
So the first half is over. So how do you find it?
I'm really liking it because something new he has taught. So I did not know it earlier. So I'm liking it.
Myself Preeti Patil. I've done MSc from School of Science, Gujarat University, and right now I'm a lecturer in Venus International Engineering College of Technology.
Okay. So what inspired you to join this workshop?
Same as ma'am told that new things we have learned. It is good for knowledge.
So will it be helpful?
Yes.
So
in drawing the line in Excel, that is a new thing.
Mansi Vaishnani, and I'm from Venus International College of Technology.
Before coming here, did you have any idea what?
No idea.
So you came with a blank mind, or you came with some presumptions?
नहीं, आई थिंक यहाँ पे मतलब कोई सॉफ्टवेयर ऐसा कुछ होगा, मतलब पीसी का मतलब लैपटॉप कंपलसरीली थे, तो मतलब कुछ होगा, न्यू होगा इसलिए, बट यहाँ पे आके देखा तो था यार।
तो जो आपका एक्सपेक्टेशन था उस हिसाब से?
हाँ, ये उस हिसाब से हो रहा है जो हम स्टूडेंट्स को भी सिखा सकते हैं, मतलब
तो
ऐसे।
ये वर्कशॉप आप बोल सकते हैं कि ये हेल्पफुल रहेगा?
Yes, helpful, also helpful to students also. Okay.
I'm Vanita Kivlani, and presently I'm pursuing ME from LJ College.
Okay. So, what inspired you to join here?
Well, actually, Maths is my favorite subject, so I want to have forte on it. So obviously, my own interest got me here. I read about the PDF of GTU, so like my own interest can say was the inspiration for me to get here.
Okay.
And plus the experience of Sir, when I saw their profile, then that was like quite charming. So I thought maybe I'll get something new in this field, because Maths is a devastating field. So obviously, and I am hopefully, because after the first session completed, I guess I'm going in the right way.
Okay, so before coming in, you had some idea that what will be taught, or
well, actually,
what path it shall be?
Overview was given in like the news,
right.
But I was like not sure that the seminar will be that good, but I am quite happy with the seminar.
So it has, can I say that it has crossed your expected level or something?
It is about to cross.
About to cross.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Thank you.
I am Karishma Chaudhary, pursuing MA from LJ Technological University.
Okay. So when you were heading here,
Yes, sir.
there was something already there in your mind, or you came with a blank mind?
Nah, actually I have mind because I am in first semester of MA, and in the third semester I have the dissertations. So my interest in maths, so I knew about anything idea about dissertations. So I think maybe I interested in get a new topic from this workshop.
Okay. So you were here to get help for your dissertation?
Yes,
maybe.
sir. Yes, sir.
So are you able to see some light that something like this will happen? I mean, you will get what you have come for?
Yes, sir. Actually, I got new topics from the sir. Actually, she taught very well, and I don't knew about line in deeply that he taught. So I have something new idea about my dissertation to take them in a plus point.
My name is Shweta Sa. I'm from Baroda, and presently I'm working at Sigma Institute of Engineering. And I have done my master's in mathematics, and presently I'm doing PhD. And this seminar is really helpful in my PhD work. Actually, my topic is also on matrices, and this workshop changed my views to look at maths in real world.
So before coming here, were you having an idea that it will be helpful in this way?
No, actually, and sir is teaching us about Excel, working in Excel with mathematics, and I don't have any idea about Excel. That Excel can also solve mathematical problems.
So, you feel that once this workshop gets over, like tomorrow evening, you will be carrying back home something really new?
Yes, of course.
And that will be helpful
For my PhD, for my students, for my career, and for my colleagues also. And it is really beneficial. Okay.
Amiraj College, Faculty of Mathematics.
Okay. So before coming here, you had an idea what will be the things that will be covered?
Not exactly, but the title of the seminar, title of the workshop says something about the geometrical meaning of the mathematics, and I am always keen to learn the geometry of the mathematics, because without geometry we cannot learn mathematics properly. That is my personal opinion. So I was registered on the day when I was see the title of the workshop.
Okay. So you had a brief idea that what will be taught and all that. So coming here in this first session that just got over. So is it going somewhere near or is it not?
Actually, in the first half, what I learned, I learned completely different view of the mathematics. What the perception of the sir and what he is thinking about the mathematics, it is completely different what we regularly think about the mathematics. So it is a view changing first half. That is my opinion about the first half. It is a view changing the first half of the session.
So you think that it is in the right path?
Yes, exactly. And my expectation is continuously increasing after the first session.
Oh, that's great. So by the time you finish the workshop tomorrow evening, what do you expect?
I accept that Excel could be better than the MATLAB. And what sir wants to say us in the first session, MATLAB in the Excel we can do lots of things in place of MATLAB.
Patel Paresh, Amiraj College.
Okay. So you came here for the workshop and you had something in mind that this is what you will be learning or that you will be learning, something like that?
Yes, first of all I know about geometry, what is geometry, how can solve exactly problem using by geometry. So first of all लाइन और पॉइंट के हिसाब से जो सर ने एक्सेल शीट में बताया, एक्चुअली आई नो,
ये आपको मालूम
नहीं, एक्चुअली डज नॉट नो, बट अब हमें पता चला है,
मालूम नहीं था, लेकिन अभी आपको ये पता लग गया। तो आप का जो एक्सपेक्टेशन वगैरह है इस वर्कशॉप से जो था, तो वो एक्सपेक्टेशन मीट होगा ऐसा आपको लगता है?
यस, एक्सेल शीट में पावर आ जाएगा ऐसा लगता है।
ओके, तो मतलब यहाँ से आप जब जाएंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ
तो सीखेंगे। मुझे पता नहीं यहाँ पे क्या सीखने मिलेगा, लेकिन ज्योमेट्री मिलेगी, मैथमेटिक्स है, तो इसलिए हमने सोचा कि कुछ तो सीखना मिलेगा। पता नहीं था क्या सीखना मिलेगा, लेकिन चलो सर ने बोला चलते हैं हम, तो वही सीखने के लिए आए, कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने मिलेगा।
तो सेटिस्फेक्शन लेवल
बढ़ रहा है।
अच्छा है।
Dr. Anjana Bandari.
You are from?
Venus Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar.
So, what inspired you to come for this workshop?
So, it is a basic knowledge to develop the students so they have a knowledge about the maths and they interest the maths.
तो यहाँ पे आने के पहले आपने कुछ सोचा होगा कि मैं ये सीखूंगी या वो सीखूंगी, तो वो चीज़ें कहीं लग रहा है कि ऐसा कुछ आपको सीखने को मिलेगा?
Sir, we develop this is the, I do not think about the learning of this because this topic is already we learn, but how to create the students so they learn these topics and
how to implement
it.
Okay, so that
is yes.
आप जो यहाँ से जो चीज़ें आपको नया कुछ अगर सीखने को मिल रहा है
Yes.
तो आपको लग रहा है कि वो बेनिफिशियल रहेगा?
Yeah,
helpful
sir.
रहेगा?
Yeah, it's beneficial for students. Yes.
और आपका जो एक्सपेक्टेशन था तो कहीं ना कहीं वो एक्सपेक्टेशन मीट हो रहा है या अभी भी मतलब काफ़ी दूर है एक्सपेक्टेशन लेवल से?
No, it's meat. Okay.
थैंक यू.
Nilesh Sarabara from LD Engineering College, Assistant Professor Electrical.
तो यहाँ पे आने के पहले व्हाट वर योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम दिस वर्कशॉप?
Expectations, mathematics is very applicable to the research work. So this is a hard, but after presentation of the SKDAS, say is very easy to implement in Excel. The work.
So whatever your expectations were from this workshop, you feel that it will be met by the time you finish the workshop?
Yes, got something more.
Something more.
Nirav Sitpura.
Okay, and you are doing?
Machine Design ME in first year now in BVM College, Vidyanagar.
Okay. So what inspired you to come for this workshop?
I am here to get some knowledge about, deep knowledge about mathematics, which we are studying now this time. We studied mathematics in UG level, but we don't know about the application of the mathematics, which are the application in mechanical engineering as well as the other fields. So I am here to know about the applications, which type of application will be in usual life that is useful in our mathematics. So I am here for that.
So already the first half is over.
Yes,
so after the end of this first half, what do you feel like? Whatever you had expected from this workshop, will it be met?
Yeah, it is met. Yeah, it is met more accurately with my expectation.
So it is going above your expectations, something
yes,
like that.
It is above my expectation that I didn't study that anywhere that this type of deep mathematics.
Okay,
very
so
smaller difference between the some mathematics that I am studying here with this.
So how will it be useful for you?
It will be useful for me for anything that I am studying in now this time for better future. Usually it is useful for me to develop some mathematical models and some deep knowledge about what I am doing in mathematics. So this type of knowledge I can get in this workshop.
So earlier also have you attended any other mathematics workshop or something like that?
No, I didn't yet.
Okay. So this is your first mathematics workshop as such?
Yes, this is first and best ever for me. Yes, thank you.
Linear systems we have discussed, and now